Assalamu alaikum, my cooking in a budget's family. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the recipe. Soak 200 grams tamarind overnight. Extract the pulp and make a smooth paste, then mix with 200 milliliters water, then add 1 tsp black salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin, 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now add 6 tablespoons of sugar. Stir it and cook on high flame until it brings up a boil. Then cook on low flame until it thickens. At last, turn the flame off and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix well. Khatti Meethi Chatpati IMLI chutney is ready. Store in a airtight container and refrigerate up to 6 months. If you enjoy today's recipe, hit the like button, share to your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel Cooking in a Budget. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next recipe. Happy cooking. Allah Hafiz.